This quick review of Wonder Woman, Absolute Wonder Woman 3 and 4. Now, 3 leads into 4, and 4 leads into 3. You get my point. So, in 3, they do a little bit more origin wise, where she gets her sword and all that stuff like that, her big giant sword that she uses in the 4th issue. She has to take down a monster, a big giant monster, big kaiju monster. She's still working with the military with that one. They do a backstory of when Steve was on the island with all a bunch of the women from Azascara in there, which is, and this one's based in hell. Yeah, she's her character is in hell now. The Absolute series Wonder Woman's from hell, not from Azascara, from an island out of nowhere. And then part 4, she finds this big giant sword that they've been teasing in the front of the covers of the graphic novel. I mean, not the graphic novel, but the comics. It's a big giant sword that you see like in Final Fantasy, and she takes out the kaiju, and then that's where it leads off to the next issue. But basically, there's also backstory behind that as well. We're on the same Skara Island and hell. Talking about more like the mother and all that stuff like that, how she was born, but also where she gets the sword from, and the sword is giant. Like the sword is like as big as the kaiju monster, and it's an epic scene, some epic panels and epic scenes. It's awesome. I'm only doing this real quick one because the 5th one should be coming out, and that's the last part of the series, and then they're going to move on to other Absolute characters. But usually when they do finish this, they're going to do a graphic novel on this, so you can probably read all these in a graphic novel form. So, yeah, that's Wonder Woman 3 and 4. Now, I'm going to talk about Two-Face and Two-Face 1 and 2, because I have Two-Face 3 and Superman, Absolute Superman number 4. So, yeah.